Kamis no. 8 to 2 minutes naman no. Safe na yun no. Kamis na.
Nag-zone
Kamis.
yung Wild Dogs.
Bakit? Ano yun?
Gulat
Nandinas
siguro sila, hinit agad sila.
Patay si
Ano?
Alfredo Lim eh. Siya caller nila.
Oo.
Patay si Lim.
Yo, kamsat. Pulot, alas kayo dyan. Matama kayo dyan. Kamat.
Binugbog si Alfredo boy.
Teka lang, Giju.
Sige. Go. Go, west. Sige. 1 minute
Ninja
na.
ako eh.
West.
Ikaw mo ipag-usap sa UC, Giju. Sabi mo sa kanila.
Sige. GG calls.
na lang para GG calls ka.
Oy, mag-out na daw yung yung iba boss club healers. Out na daw sa atin healer. Kulang na ako. At lang healer ko. Ako lang. Tatlong healers guys, hello. Kaya? May healer ba ako party 2?
Giju, depth down ng Terry tayo.
Oh sige, yo, everybody go inside Terry.
3 heals lang tayo.
Pasok mo sige sa Terry.
Come Terry guys. Come Terry guys. 2 healers. Ay. Wala.
3 healers, 41.
3 healers, party 2 ilan?
Wala ata 40.
Wala na boss. Jabo, wala na akong healer.
Ayan o,
One gear lang guys.
1 gear lang, 1 gear.
Giju, ulo, hoy.
Yo, game lang yo. Everybody dismount, boys. Food check. OC. Yeah, hold on. Spread. Ditang go front a little bit. East lang. Hold on. Yo, come back guys. One set lang to guys. One set lang please. Come on. Hold on. Game na to guys. Yo, ditang soda ako sa may baba. Baba lang. A little bit. Yo, DPS.
Walking in Walking in west.
Huwag masyadong kumpulan Huwag kayo masyadong kumpulan. Yo, they're here. Wala lang. Move a little bit east lang. Little bit east lang. Basta makita niyo ako goods lang yan. And then spread din. Sa may taas spread. Yeah. Hold on.
Flapcom.
Sige lang.
Checking ako kung may BS.
May ano yan sila, may hatak.
May bomba sila.
So far nakikita ko wala.
Walang bomb says.
Ano ba yung gear ni Triple ST kanina?
Ano yan? Earthrune.
Golem.
Okay. Baka, ayun.
Triple S
Up bomb.
Yo, yan. Fake. Yo, pa-fake ako east. Nasaan ka? Nasaan di ba?
Ako, ito.
Sige. Pa-fake ako east. Deep east. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Fake. Nag-defend. Alright.
Hindi, isa lang nag-drop.
Sige lang. Engaging. Faking yan.
Nagit sa amin.
Alright, walk in east now. A little bit east. Look in the crown. 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Hit. Now, come back up, please. Come back west. Counter sila. Pahilaw front. Defend now.
BS.
Hill front.
BS sila east.
May BS isa. So, a little bit west kayo. Guys, wait. A little bit west. Move a little bit west. Hold on.
Pag nakidap si Gagski.
Hold on, west. Move a little bit west. Dito sa may stairs, oh. Sa may baba niyan. Pwede kayo diyan. Hold on. Looking ah. Ready defend. Looking ah. Yo, pa-fake ako ulit, diba? Pa-fake ako east.
Ito.
East, 3, 2, 1. Defend.
May cooldown ka.
We're gonna counter inside mid. Look in the ground. 3, 2, 1. On the crown. Hello. Yo, defend. Heal front. Tulungan yung mga left tank. Heal nyo. Walking in sila. Prepare ah. Walking in sila. Yo, ready defend. Yo, move a little west. Defend now. Naglalag ako boy. Yo, sige lang. Look east now. Hello. East now. Move east now. East in the sky. 3, 2, One. In the sky, in the sky, in the sky, in the sky. Defend, defend, engaging, aloking sila. Fake them, fake them, fake them. Yo, GG. GG guys, GG. All my party is wipe, wala na ako healers. GG, GG, GG. No, no healers, no healers. Patay agad si, ano eh. Dalawa lang tara ng healers ko kanina. Ha? Wala, di sila maglulot yo. May blood pa northeast. Careful ah.
Wild dogs yan.
Wild dogs yun ah. Yo, come. Regroup muna sa Terry. Hold Terry. Hold Terry, hold Terry.
Ayun, wala akong dalang healers.
Hold Terry, hold Terry guys. Hold Terry guys. Wala kasi yung ibang healer. May healer pa. Pwede pa ba mag-healer din? Hold lang dito on the ping. Yo, everybody hold on the ping. Hold on the ping guys. Hold on the ping guys.
GG ka na, Kiju?
Yan, nag-GG kami. Wala kaming healer boss. Patay agad si ano.
Wild dogs sa lalabanan natin.
Oo nga eh.
Ah, regal kayo healer.
Rigger picks ah. Guys, please. Rigger. As dati lang. Dati lang. Dati lang please. Please. Hold lang muna. Hold lang muna. Wild dogs pa yun ah. Sonority so. Kakat off pa yun. Please. I need healers please guys. Mag-swap kayo please.